I'm here at St. Pete Pier with Robin Walbridge, who is the skipper of HMS Bounty. I'm sorry, I shouldn't have called it HMS. What exactly is the designation?
Well, we call it the Tall Ship Bounty. And the reason we call it the Tall Ship Bounty is this is a replica of the original Bounty. This has never been a British ship, so technically it's not really the HMS. But even the original Bounty was the HMAT, His Majesty's Armed Transport. Actually, the original Bounty the mission was to go get the breadfruit. The Bounty, before the British Admiralty got it, was a collier, carried coal. The British Admiralty didn't want to waste a warship to go on the mission to pick up breadfruit, and so that's why they purchased the Bethia, which was the original name of the ship. Then they purchased the ship, outfitted it, renamed it for the armed transport, and then Bligh took it to do the voyage to Tahiti.
And she's 35 years old, and she was originally built by MGM at, what shipyard built it?
It was built in Lunenburg, Nova Scotia, at the Smith-Rulin yard. And,
the Smith-Rulin yard?
Yes.
Now, how did they get the plans? How did they know how to build a tall ship?
The Admiralty required that all vessels built submit a set of plans to the British Admiralty. So today you can go back and you can look at the records and get the original plans for these vessels. We take students that are on honor rolls, or we take students that are like Eagle Scouts or Gold Scouts, or people that have done some kind of community service that have kind of shown that they're willing to get out and work a little bit harder. And we reward them by taking them sailing for the summertime.